Hello, my YouTube family. Oh, today I've woken up feeling not so well. I'm just tired. I'm feeling so tired, but we have to work regardless. As an African woman, you have to wake up and do your household chores. Am I right? As usual, not unless you're feeling so weak or so sick, that is when it's considered. But as an African woman, you just wake up, do your chores as usual. Like today, I'm gonna do some washing and other cleanings of the house as per the African woman. So to my returning subscribers, always thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl here. You are always welcome to my channel. But if you are seeing me for the first time, this is home. This is home. This is home, man. This is where we camp. For the first time, people, my name is Sharobu. Kindly consider subscribing. Click on that subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment, and share with others. So let's do this the African way. So we're having our hands and we're gonna work it out up with our hands. We don't use machines here because machines are normally so expensive. Not just any African late homestead can afford to have a machine. So most of works here we normally do them with our bare hands. So let's do this together, guys. Let's roll. So guys, this is how we do our laundry here in Africa. Watch and enjoy. We have to hang them here so that they can sun dry. Let me show you if you can see it. So that is my wire line. I have to hang the clothes there to sun dry them. We don't have a dryer here in Africa. We have them, but typical African lady, African woman, most of us, like a big percentage, we go this way. So you hang them like that to sun dry them. So we wash and we hang. So enjoy the ride. Okay. I always like when I'm washing and start with bright colors first, then the others follow. So even as per my arrangement, I've started with, let me show you guys. I've started with the white ones first, and then the other colors will follow later. So that's how I love my work, my cleaning. So you can't mix white clothes with other colors because they can easily be stained. They can be stained easily, guys. So this one here, this is just the cloth clipper. We normally call it here pegs. This is what I'm using to hang my clothes on the cloth line. I begin to I begin to I begin to I begin So guys, I'm just done with my work. I've showered already. I've completed my morning routine as usual. I'm stepping out. I'm gonna make my nails, so I have to look good. So anyway, even if I'm an African woman, sometimes you must have your time too for grooming, so literally that's what we normally do here in Africa. And let me talk about my home country, Kenya, because most of us we can't afford machines, so you just have to wash with your bare hands. So you wake up in the morning, you do your household chores as usual, you wash clothes, you mop your house, you clean utensils, because we don't even have dishwashers. Not so many people can afford that here. So and it's quite different with people staying in the rural areas, because the women staying over there, they have to wake up, combine it with the farm work. They have to go to the farm, do some farming, collect some firewoods, do a lot of things compared to us who are staying in the urban area. But still, if you're an African woman, whether you're staying in an urban area or rural area, the work still stands. You must have to work. You must have to wake up, do your chores, finish your work. As a woman, you have to be a super active. Most of us, we are super active. We are very strong. That's why they normally say African women are very strong, and it's very true, by the way, because if you see the load some women carry on their head, it's crazy. So right now, let's walk together. I'm going to the salon. Maybe I'll show you when I'm done with my... So I'll let you know when I'm done with my salon. So see you guys on the other side, okay? Keep it locked here. Guys, I'm back from my nail appointment. I've returned a little bit late, so let me take you through to the African way of preparing sardines here in Kenya, how we do it, because now I have to make dinner for the family. So enjoy the ride, guys. So today I want to prepare sardines. As I told you earlier, these are my ingredients: onion, sardines, and oil. So let's prepare. This is my water. I need to wash it with hot water. I have to wash it with hot water. So let's meet when my food is ready. I'm preparing this with ugali. I'm showing you that I'm preparing sardines with ugali. So let's meet after, or I'll rather show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm picking the sardines to check if there is dirt or something. This is how we normally do it. Some people normally remove the head of the sardine, but I don't do that myself. Some people normally do this, but personally I don't do that. I'm okay with the eyes. I'm okay with them staring at me, okay? So ugali, I say I'm gonna cook sardines with ugali. Ugali is one of the Kenyans' national food that I know of. If you come to Kenya and you don't take ugali, then you are missing it. That is one of our national foods here in Kenya. I've already washed my sardines with hot water. The common name here in Kenya is omena. The Kiswahili name is dagaa. So I've already washed them. They're ready to be deep fried. My oil is here. It's preheating. Then I'll just deep fry my omena. Let me test the oil. Who else does this? I do this a lot. That's how I test my oil. I put few inside, and then I test. So I have to deep fry. And personally, at this stage, I normally put salt. I normally put salt at this stage to taste. I'm putting salt, guys. So let's wait for the next step. So before I cook it, I normally add my onions. So I've added my onions, so I want them to get golden brown with my sardines. Then I'll add my tomatoes. So guys, let's enjoy the aroma as we wait for the outcome. Typical African woman. Added my tomatoes here already. I don't know whether you can see it. But don't worry, I'll show you the outcome. So guys, here, this is the outcome of our sardine. So this is the sardine, veggies, and this is the ugali I was talking about. So this is the outcome of our ugali. So dinner served. So thank you so much guys for watching today's vlog. Thank you for always coming back to support me. Thank you and thank you and thank you so much. So this video is typically how the African women here in Africa, we normally do our chores each and every day. We wake up, we do cleaning, we do washing, we do cooking for the family, and so on and so forth. So this is exactly how we normally do our work with our bare hands, no machines, just us. That's why they normally say African women are the strongest. So thank you guys for always coming back to support me. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and you can leave your opinion of what you are thinking about this vlog. What's your take about today's vlog? What I can say, see you guys on the next one. Okay guys, bye bye.